Vive le français! Bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So today I'm going to tell you about other festivals in France. This video you can find it in French language as well. If you prefer to listen to it in English, just stay here. If you want to try to improve your French listening skills, then just go and listen to it in French, the French version. Okay. So today I'm telling you about the other festivals that you have in France. So I told you about the legal festival, les jours fériés. Some of them, they are the religious festival, Christmas, the New Year, religious festival, Christmas, then Easter, then 1st of November, the 15th of August, Ascension. Then I told you about the legal festival, the National Day, 14th of July, the end of the First World War, the end of the Second World War, the New Year's Day, the 1st of May. And today I tell you about other festivals that qui ne sont pas fériés. So even you have the festival, you still need to work. You still need to go to work. Okay. So one festival that's it's a festival that people do a little bit. It's la Fête des Rois, the King Festival. We say l'Épiphanie. It's also a religious festival. You know, when there is Christ is born, Jesus is born, then there's three kings that came to Jesus and offer him some present. So we say les rois mages. They are the magician king. So these kings have the power. They are the magician. They are les rois mages. They have the power. They are very wise. There's one black king and two white guys, and they come and offered the present. And the present have meaning. I think I'm not sure. Some king offered him incense. Some king offered him gold. Okay. Anyway, so now in France, each year, if you go to at this time of the year, people eat a special cake, which is called la galette des rois. It's a kind of galette. It's a kind of cake, and on it, it's made with almond, and inside there is a feather. Inside there is a small thing, and if they hide a small stone or something, so you need to be very careful so you don't break the teeth. Okay, and when you get this small stone, you are the king. Vous êtes le roi. So this you have this in all the canteen for the kids. You will do this with the family, with the friends. So it's very funny. This usually is just after New Year. After New Year, after New Year, after the New Year. And then you have La Chandeleur. Chandeleur is the festival that you have on the 2nd of February. It's the festival of the moon. So people will bake the crêpe, the French pancake. It's a round pancake like this, and it celebrates. It's a festival for the farmers. Before it celebrate the new season and the full moon and people were doing this traditionally. They would go in the field and they will have the candle in the light, and they will walk in the field and hope that next year there will be the good harvest. You know, this is not a religious festival, but I think it's a very old tradition. Maybe it's a very old tradition from thousands of years ago, 2,000 years ago. But people now, they still do, in some part of France, they still do les crêpes. My grandmother will do crêpes. She would like, do the crêpes. Now we don't do anymore. And they will drink the cider, which is apple cider. Apple cider is cider, apple cider, which is the wine made of apple. Okay, the alcohol made of apple. Okay. We have le Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is especially a festival that used to be very popular, and now it's replaced by Halloween. Halloween comes from the USA. Many people celebrate Halloween, but Mardi Gras was the traditional French festival where people dress with different clothes and put the mask and put the makeup. And they will have, in some cities, you have a défilé, you have a celebration all over the city. That's the case in Nice, and in the south of France. You have special cake. So you have a special cake, beignet oreillette in this. And when is it? It's in February. It's in the month of February. So if you are in south of France, in Côte d'Azur, just go there. It's very interesting. You have the Valentine's Day. The Valentine's Day used to be a religious festival. Valentine is the saint the scene from the church for the lovers, you know. And this is the 14th of July, so on Valentine's Day you will go out with your wife or with your girlfriend, you will offer a little present, you will try to think, make a surprise present or something. You can offer some chocolate, that's what you will do for Valentine. You have the 1st of April. The 1st of April is April's Fool's Day. So you have it all over the world, I think this. So you will put the fish on people's back and make a joke. There will be many newspaper and TV station, television and radio. They will make the hoax. They will make the fake news. Okay. You have the Mother's Day. Mother's Day is also a religious festival, not religious but very old festival. I don't know when it is. I think it's in June, the Mother's Day. So the kids will often at school they will prepare some present for their mother. You also have the Father's Day. The Father's Day is much more recent, you know. You have the music festival. Music festival is very popular all over France and is very new. It started in 1981 and it's spread up everywhere, even in some other countries. And so everybody will play the music in the streets. You can listen to the music, play to the music. You have many musicians everywhere. Classical music, rap, all different type of music. It was very interesting, and people are just outside in the street listening and clapping hands. Very nice. And people will play just like this. So that's a very good idea, very good concept. I don't know when it is. I think it's in July. I think usually in July. June or July. June or July. Okay. Then you have Les Nuits Blanches. Les Nuits Blanches, they are the nights that you have a festival during the night. And people will stay awake, and you have many museums that are opened. So that's also a festival that was organized. You can see there are many festivals like this, but these are the very popular one. Most people will follow them. For Mardi Gras, for instance, I remember as a kid, I will come to school with dress up. Even at school, all the kids will do it. Halloween, everybody does it. La Fête des Rois, everybody will eat this kind of cake because it's funny. If you have the kids, you will buy it with the kids. It's just, you know, it's just like to be with friends, eat the cake, and see who is the king. The Valentine's Day, of course, the young people who are in love, then it's good. It's a way, if you love someone, it's the good thing. You can offer her some present or offer him some present. If you are already with someone, you can also offer some present or do some kind of surprise. So, yeah, these are the festivals. Bon, ok. À bientôt les amis. Au revoir.